What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I hope everyone's having a good day. The sunshine is out, the sun is shining. Still a little bit cold, but the sun's shining, everything's good. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, it's gonna be really quick. Really quick video. Sunday roast. Don't blink or you might miss it. Let's go. Guys, right here I've got cauliflower, I got broccoli, I got a medium chicken, I got salt, pepper, I got chicken bisto gravy, I got beef, and I got a little bit of rosemary and thyme, which I got from my garden. Rosemary and thyme. Alright, we're gonna start with the cauliflower and broccoli, then we'll move on to the chicken. For the cauliflower, guys, I'm gonna cut it up, and I know some of you who don't really like waiting. You don't really like waiting a long time for this. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Next, it's gonna be the broccoli. Alright guys, same with the broccoli. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. That's it. That's potatoes and carrots in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, in there. That's it. Cover the lid. The heat is on. We're gonna let that boil. That's just potatoes and carrot in there. The chicken a little bit quickly. I'm gonna take my rosemary and thyme, cut it up, roughly chop. I'll roughly chop it. Roughly chop that. There you go. Take 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. Flash that. Garlic in. There. Then I'll take pepper. Olive oil, a bit of leftover barbecue seasoning from the other day. Remember it from the ribs? A bit of that. Just give it a little extra flavor. Mix it together. Massage your nice clean hands into the chicken. Make sure it's everywhere. Alright guys, now I'm gonna show you a quick gravy. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the onions, onions that are cut in onion rings, take them, do like that. Take a little bit of butter, take a little bit of butter into there, a little bit of olive oil, like that. That's that, butter, olive oil, onion rings. Put down a very low heat. Chicken ready to go in. Preheated oven. Chicken goes in for about 2 hours. Potatoes. Drain the potatoes. Guys, I'm going to show you how to make a quick gravy. I'll take some of this one. take some of this one. There. And there. And make it into like a paste, because we can add water. And welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. God bless. Sunday roast. What do you want to call it? I got my boy in the building. I'm not gonna mention his name because, you know, just for reasons might not want me to mention his name, but he's in the building, so big him up. How you doing, my brother? You good?
Yeah, sweet, bro.
Nice one, nice one. Yeah, so I'm gonna be talking to him sometimes, so I don't want you to think I'm talking to no one. Talking to him in the background. But what would you call this? What would you call this, K?
Special Sunday roast.
I'm just gonna call you K, because your name begins with K. I'm gonna call you K. Is that cool?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice and secret. What can you call this? What do you wanna call this?
The special Sunday roast.
Special Sunday roast. First, can we cheers? Where's your beer? Let's cheers to everyone on this lovely Sunday, man. Cheers. At least you can cheers on camera. Just so people can know you're real. People will still think maybe I'm talking to myself. I forgot to get a plate. My brother, could you pass me a plate from there? Can you imagine I forgot to get a plate? Thank you so much, my brother. I don't want to be jumping. I hope you guys are fine. Oh yeah, thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the subs. Please, yes, please keep subscribing. Thank you so much, my brother. Please keep subscribing. Keep liking. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This one was just a quick one. This one is, see if we can get a thumbnail. Thumbnail. You know what a thumbnail is, my brother?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Alright, let's go. Let's go with a little bit. Cauliflower. Love cauliflower. Love broccoli. What do you like better, my brother? Cauliflower or broccoli?
Has to be the broccoli, mate.
You love broccoli, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'll go for cauliflower still. But that's good still. Loving veg is good. Look at the moistness. Look at the moistness. Look at the moistness. Look at that. Does that look dry? No. No way. Zoom up. Come on. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's go. A bit of gravy. You guys can see the gravy that you saw me cooking. I don't want to put the gravy too close into the camera because that's what made my zoom start messing up. A bit of gravy there. Does it look nice, my brother?
Yeah, it does, mate. You need a proper large portion of that gravy, innit?
Yeah, love gravy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So let's move this out of the way. Let's make sure that the viewers see this. Yeah, that's it. Nice Sunday roast. Let's dig in. Shall we say grace? God bless this food. Thank you. Nice. Let's go. Oh my lord. You okay?
Yo. Yeah, talk to me, lad. How's that testing? Is that any good?
It's really good, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie to you, girl.
Yeah.
This ain't even for the camera. It's good, man.
Special Sunday roast.
Special Sunday roast. Bro, it's good, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
That's something you can have like on a daily basis because it's that good, isn't it?
Mmm. You're right. But guys, I really hope you saw how I cooked this. You followed the instructions. Really, really easy. You know what will go well on this? Some English mustard, some British mustard, and some chili. A little bit, just a little bit. Not to kill the taste, just a little bit, guys. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Feels like Christmas again, okay?
Yes, sir. Christmas every day.
Christmas every day, yo. You got buzz today.
Like my brother says, you're gonna learn today.
And I think they have learned. I think they've learned how to make a Sunday roast. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna get out of here and continue living this Sunday and having a good time. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for my boy K passing through.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely continue to enjoy this lovely Sunday. One love. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend as well. Share it with family. Do whatever you want. And guys, one more bite. One more bite just for the road. There you go. Nice one. Cheers to everyone. Thank you.
Alright, enough of a video now. It's time to tuck in. Let's tuck into the rest of our chicken now, innit?
That was gonna be like, I was gonna cut that off, but I think I'm gonna keep that. So guys, salute, one love, later. Peace.